Today, we're diving into Capterra, an essential tool for businesses seeking the right software solutions. Capterra is a comprehensive software directory designed to help users find and compare software for various business needs, ranging from project management to customer relationship management systems. Throughout this video, we'll explore its key features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and available alternatives. Let's take a quick look at Capterra's main features. Feature-rich platform. Capterra boasts a vast database of software across different categories, offering users access to detailed product descriptions, user reviews, and ratings. Its intuitive search and filter options allow for easy navigation and comparison, helping users make informed decisions. Additionally, Capterra provides valuable resources such as blog posts and expert advice to guide users through their software selection process. Comprehensive software listings. With over 1 million verified user reviews, Capterra provides unparalleled insights into the performance and usability of various software solutions. Users can explore detailed product profiles, including key features, pricing details, and deployment options, to find the perfect fit for all their business needs. User-friendly interface. Capterra's user interface is designed for ease of use, making it accessible to both novice and experienced users. Its clean layout and intuitive navigation make it simple to search for, compare, and evaluate software options. Transparent pricing information. Capterra provides transparent pricing information for each software listing, including details on subscription plans, free trials, and enterprise pricing options. Users can easily compare pricing tiers and determine the best value for their budget. Reliable user reviews. One of Capterra's standout features is its extensive collection of user reviews, offering authentic insights into the real-world performance and usability of software products. These reviews help users gauge the reliability and effectiveness of a software solution before making a purchase decision. Vendor interaction. Capterra facilitates direct communication between users and software vendors, allowing for inquiries, demos, and product trials. This interaction enables users to clarify doubts, gather additional information, and ensure compatibility with their business requirements. Capterra offers a diverse range of pricing options, with many software listings providing free versions or trials for users to test before committing. Paid plans vary depending on the software, with monthly or annual subscription options available. For example, a project management software may offer a free basic plan for small teams, with premium plans starting at $20 per month for additional features and advanced functionality. Users find Capterra's interface intuitive and user-friendly, allowing for seamless navigation and exploration of software options. The platform's comprehensive search and filter capabilities streamline the software selection process, enhancing user experience. Capterra's pros include its vast software database, transparent pricing information, reliable user reviews, and user-friendly interface. However, some users may find the sheer volume of options overwhelming, and while user reviews provide valuable insights, they may not always reflect every user's experience accurately. Overall, though, Capterra remains a valuable source for businesses searching for software solutions. Alternatives to Capterra include G2 Crowd, Software Advice, GetApp, and TrustRadius. These platforms offer similar functionalities, allowing users to compare and evaluate software options based on their specific needs and preferences. In conclusion, Capterra stands out as an indispensable tool for businesses seeking the right software solution. With its extensive software listings, transparent pricing information, and reliable user reviews, Capterra simplifies the software selection process and empowers users to make informed decisions. Whether you're a startup looking for project management software or a large enterprise in need of CRM solutions, Capterra has you covered. Sign up today to take the first step towards finding the perfect software for your business needs. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more tips and recommendations. Thank you for watching.